Scorpio, this is your love reading for this week and take what resonates, but you have to leave what doesn't resonate. If it doesn't resonate, just let it fly. Someone needs to hear this today. Scorpio, you have the Four of Wands. Meron kang the Two of Swords here. Okay, Scorpio, you have the Temperance card. You have the Six of Pentacles. Six of Cups. Scorpio, you're dealing with a soulmate or twin flame energy. And the last card is Ace of Swords. Okay, Scorpio. If you were to ask me, I can see here, the energy around you this week feels deeply emotional yet transformative. You understand kung gaano kalalim yung connection ng dalawa. You may feel a strong pull towards a clarity in your love life. So, mas maiintindihan mo na kaya pala hindi kami nag-meet in both ends. Kaya pala, merong push and pull energy kasi twin flame kami, soulmate ko siya. And you may feel a strong pull towards clarity in your love life, but waiting either truth or release, hidden emotions are likely surfacing. So both in you and your person of interest, this can create intensely but also a chance to heal misunderstandings. May mga hindi napapagkasunduan, pero ang sabi ng card, if you're willing to adapt, change, and willing to adjust, may chance naman na magkaroon kayo ng progress. And for singles, if you're unattached with someone, there is someone who wants to come back, or I feel the energy around you and this person is not ending. So, someone may show interest, but not in an obvious way. So, pay attention to subtle signals or subtle signs, because what seems casual could hold a deeper meaning. You might also feel called to reflect on past relationship. Di ka pa ba umuusad, Scorpio? Matagal na kayong hiwalay? Or matagal ka na dapat nag-move forward sa life mo? Kasi madami kang namimiss na opportunity. Dahil naka-attach ka pa sa old person mo or sa ex mo. Ang sabi dito, you need to learn kung ano yung deserve mo. And also, what you truly want. So, moving forward, you need to leave that as. For those in a connection, if you're currently dealing with a partner or love interest or meron kang asawa, ang sabi dito, there may be moments of silence, distance, or uncertainty. Pero huwag ka mag-panic kasi I can see you're panicking. Baka mawala na siya, baka iwan niya na ako ng tuluyan. May ganun ka energies dito, Scorpio. Sabi dito, this is actually pushing both of you to face what's unspoken. So, yung separation yan, may meaning yan kung bakit magkalayo kayo sa ngayon. Nangangahulugan na kailangan nyo ma-discover yung feelings nyo sa isa't isa. A heart-to-heart talk could bring healing but only if approached with calmness and honesty. Siguro, Scorpio, if hindi ka nagbe-message sa kanya, na sobrang tagal na, ikaw na yung magparamdam. Kasi grabe na yung hurt ng tao na to. Every time na dumidistansya ka sa kanya, nakakalimutan mo na merong kang partner or merong tao na nagmamahal sa'yo. Tapos hindi mo napapahalagahan or nabibigyan ng oras kasi pwedeng busy ka or nakatuon yung attention mo sa ibang bagay. So, what are the challenges in your love situation this week? Challenges is trust issues or doubts might come up. So, baka inisip mo na meron na siyang iba, may nakaka-chat siyang iba. A tendency to overthink or assume the worst. Scorpio, you don't need to assume the worst. Also, you need to put effort. If you want a good result, dapat ngayon pa lang, tinatrabaho mo na siya. And sabi rin sa'yo dito, may mga power dynamics kayo ng connection nyo na parang ego and pride, naglalaban siya. You might be dealing with this is the fire sign, air signs, or kapwa mo water. Pwede may earth din. Sabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mo talaga ng heart-to-heart talk ng person mo. Kasi lumilipas yung panahon na hindi kayo nag-uusap. Nagkakalamat lalo. Sabi dito, may trust issues kayo talaga. Ano ba yung kailangan yung guidance? Sabi dito is you have to be patient and reaction later. Let emotions settle before making decisions. So, huwag kang reactive masyado. Pag-aralan mo muna yung sasabihin mo. Sabi din sa'yo dito, kailangan mo kasi ng magkaintindihan. Kung ano din yung gusto nyo sa isa't isa, yung expectations malinaw. You have to speak your truth but avoid ultimatums. Huwag ka siguro, masyado kasing sensitive this week, pero huwag ka masyadong ma-offend kung i-reject ng person mo or hindi siya mag-reply agad sa'yo. Kasi there might be an underlying issues. Sabi, you have to release your fear. Love cannot grow in control. It only thrives in mutual trust and openness. So, sabi rin sa'yo dito, you have to release the fear. So, ano ba yung gusto mo mangyari para sa connection nyo? Huwag ka siguro matakot na mag-take risk. Subukan mo na mag-take risk. What is the outcome or outlook? So, by the weekend, a shift is possible. Pwedeng may clarity or reconciliation na ma-receive from your person or a fresh realization of what's best for you. Kasi, expect either a breakthrough, conversation, or an inner release that sets you free. Ngayon, nasa sayo to. Nasa sayo to, Scorpio. If you want to push na connection, kung gusto mo mag-improve, you're expected to be honest. Kasi yung love energy around you is transformative. So, something is changing for the better, even if it feels uncertain now. Okay. So, tignan pa natin, Scorpio. Meron pa ako nakikita dito na you're very anxious about what will happen. So, kung meron kayong pagtatalo ni person, nakikita ko na probably this weekend mare-resolve niyo siya or magkakaroon ng update kung ano na bang status ng dalawa, aasa ka pa ba or hindi na. May nakikita rin ako dito, Scorpio, na paglalaban mo yung gusto mo, kaya lang parang feeling mo minsan hindi ka na nava-value or napapakinggan ng partner mo. Sa mga singles naman, Scorpio, merong energy dito na gusto niyang maintindihan mo yung feelings niya. And telepathically speaking, you are connected to this person. Pero you're trying to avoid. Bakit, Scorpio? Dahil ayaw mo masaktan, ayaw mo na mag-take risk. Pero, what if yung pinakawalan mong tao, yan pala yung totoong nagmamahal sa'yo? So, you decide. Kasi, you're very uncertain. There's a 2-6 here. Ang tinitimbang mo yung situation. Kung dapat ka bang mag-push forward or wag na lang. I know that you're very hurting right now. And I can see na yung decision mo to push the connection is very strong. Kaya lang, naghihintayan kayo. Nandun naman yung love, hindi siya nawawala. And in fact, masaya ka pa. Kaya lang, sabi dito, you're dealing with karmic lessons in life na patapos na. Kung dati maulan, ngayon nag-uumpisa ng maging masaya. Nag-uumpisa ng magkaroon ng changes sa love life mo or sa connection mo. Kung dati hindi naging honest sa'yo itong tao na to, ngayon, marirealize na yung importance mo sa relationship ng dalawa. May napansin din ako dito. I see here the Ace of Swords. Scorpio, actually, this week it feels so intense yet healing. Kasi you're being pushed to look at what's real in your love life. No illusions, no half-truths. Ito yung period kung saan merong emotional na cleansing where anything hidden may surface. Sa mga single naman, this could be a week where you realize what you truly want in partner instead of settling. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mong characteristic ng person mo? Kasi nakakatakot mag-settle down ngayon. You have to understand everything about this person para hindi ka magkamali. Okay, Scorpio, this is what I have for you. And thank you for always tuning into my channel. And I look forward to see you again next week.